Hello everyone. Today let's talk about ERP software for electronics manufacturing industry, streamlined solutions for the electronics industry. Automation and availability of skilled manpower are the important requirements of the electronic industry. The scope of the electronic industry in India is ever growing, making it a promising field for career growth and educational opportunities. Let us discuss some of the challenges faced by the electronics industry. To maintain a competitive edge, there is a demand for companies to consistently refresh their technology to stay up to date. Challenges are increasing due to traceability and compliance in the international borders, which is impacting the operational abilities. Global competition and advancements in technology are pushing prices lower, requiring companies to continuously improve their cost efficiency to stay profitable. Fluctuations in demand are caused by economic volatilities and cyclical demand. Changing customer tastes and preferences are the contributing factors to this challenge. Sage X3 provides all the tools you need to stay competitive in this vast industrial market. Component sourcing involves locating, acquiring, and managing all the essential inputs needed for an organization's operations. Purchasing management is a tool that enables organizations to automate every step of their procurement process, from sourcing to payment. This function assesses the robustness of the supply chain and evaluates its effects on the financial health of the balance sheet. The production planning module can effortlessly monitor all activities involving workers, equipment, products, components, and necessary resources. Systematically analyze and manage a list of raw materials, parts, components, assemblies and sub-assemblies in a hierarchy format required to make one unit of the product. Choose Sage X3 today to achieve overall efficiency and growth. Achieve growth and productivity faster with this solution. Schedule for a product tour. Connect with us.